Hello and welcome to jwsolarusa. In today's video, I want to show you the components that I'm going to be using for my 12-volt solar generator. Starting to the left here, I got a USB device here for the charging. So actually, this one is in there. And I have my AC meter. This is the kind of little transformer, like a clamp that goes onto the wire to read the AC amps and volts that's coming out from the power from the inverter, the draw, the load. That's exactly what I'm trying to say. And here's another meter here. You guys have seen all these reviews, and I'm gonna show you how this one works. And we have a Blue Sea of 48 volt. It's gonna take up to about 48 volts DC breaker. It's a thermal circuit breaker, and these are 50 amps right here. These are 100 amps. So I have a quick disconnect. I would like to recommend this, but not actually. If you're taking only small loads, it will be okay. But if you're trying to pull more voltage or loads into this, then you're in trouble. I'm not gonna recommend this at all because I've tried it. I don't like it. Here are LEDs. You can see like the ones they use on semis. Is a little, see, I don't know if you can see it. Gives you like a fish eye view. The lights just spread out. It's an amber color and a pure white. So I'm gonna use that. Here you can see I have some light LEDs, flashing light like emergency vehicles. This one's gonna be an amber and a white. I can able to utilize those. Here is the for the battery terminals. I'm gonna be using it to connect our inverter and our charge controller to the bus bars. Here you can see a USB charging ports again, different ones, and you've seen a review of like this one. And one of these other guys, a 3.0 fast charging port. And you can see here is a toggle switch that has a meter, just looks like this one here. It tells you how the charging is coming from your batteries, USB charger right here, all these kind of switches. And this is you can use this for your 12 volts cooler or cigarette lighter. So what I have here, ordered this from Hurricane Wind and Solar or Wind Power, is a thermal switch, okay, to regulate my DC fans. So it reaches a certain temperature and it opens the circuit, and it's gonna open and close circuit to regulate the heat inside the box and how everything's gonna be running, and that will cool the system. It goes off on and off when it's really hot in the box. This is another one here. Solar Arctic fan was a thermal switch. As almost the same one. You see, is a small one. If you can see it. All right. So it says there is a thermal snap switch installation. So guys, you see the fan right there. That's what it does. Open and close contacts, and everything is just gonna run fantastically. So guys, these are the stuff I have here. I'm gonna be using this guy to do a lot of the work, cut the holes on the PVC, and I just decided to show you guys what is going on, or what is gonna be going on here, what I have to be doing soon. So I just decided to spread it out here to show you guys how everything is looking. So don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more to come live from the channel jwsolarusa. It's a lot of toys here, and I have other things coming. I hope I can able to incorporate a lot of this stuff to make this 12-volt system successful. I'm looking forward to that, and I'm so thrilled, and I hope I'm gonna able to put everything inside that box as I plan to do, and so it'll be one of the best solar generator that I've ever built. This is gonna be the first one, and I wanted to have everything, and it has two inverters, 1,000 watts each. So my generator is not gonna be a small portable generator as other people claim to have a portable generator that is smaller, but it's just charging DC. So it's going to be doing DC, AC simultaneously with the cooling fans, which are 12 volts. And I've made a video of them. Check my on my portable gadget on my playlist, and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. And those fans has a temperature regulator, just like these guys here. What I showed you guys, this little guys. It's a thermal like this one from Hurricane Wind. So he's a nice guy. Check him out. You want to buy some more wind and solar stuff, he has good stuff. And if you talk to him, as long as you're a solar guy or wind guy, and he works out pretty good deal for you guys. So I just want to give him a shout out. Hurricane Wind and Solar. Yeah, it's a good guy. So I already bought that thing for a very long time. So I'm planning to use it on the open and close circuit for fan or control, thermal control system. So let's come back to the portable generator here so you can see it. I just decided to put it on the ironing board. Really doesn't mean, just pray that make sure I want to see all the components. Yeah, it's too late. I'm making this video, but I want to show you guys. I want to share with you. Here's the generator box. So let's go here and pop this guy and open up. This is what I'm talking about. So I have all the wires. So these ones I have to connect with as the outputs, the outlet, sorry, that's what I was trying to say. And you guys can see all the specifications on the inverters. It's 1,000 watts. It's a Magnum MMS 1012. These are 1012-G, and this is just the 1012. Then I have the Volkswagen e-Golf battery down there. So I'm trying to come up with an idea to anchor this one, mentioned by Cedric Green. So am I gonna be make sure anchor this battery so they can tip over. So coming with a plan, I already have a plan, but I just have to implement it and see how it's gonna work so they can flip like this. So I have to do the same thing into this to anchor these guys, so if something happened they can't tip over. But I'm trying to do some different things here, which you guys can bear with me, and see how everything's gonna work with this project I'm trying to do. Then I have the Midnight Solar, the Kid. This is a 30 amp MPPT charge controller, 150 volt DC, and this is the cabinet. So I'm trying to get this thing done, but I'm so busy with work and other stuff. So just want to give you heads up where all these components is gonna come on the side or whatever. Those meters I showed you, the lights and all the cool gadgets, and even at the top here, what I was gonna do. And on the front face, I'm trying to do this as clean as possible, because it's not easy to do wire management on a small, confined place like this. But we will do the best what we could right here at JW Solar USA, like we always do. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye for now. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way. Bye.